Hi students, now let us see the overview of ISO 9001 standard. So in the previous video I explained about the SEI, Software Engineering Institution, CMM, capability maturity level. So that is one of the standard will be given to the organization. Now let us see the another standard, that is the ISO 9001. So this ISO 9001 applies to organization that engaged in design. So whatever the organization that will be engaged in design phase, development, production and servicing of goods, then we can apply, if whatever the organization you are having, if the organization is following these criteria, if they're developing a product, they are using these criteria, means these systematic approach, designing, developing, production and servicing of goods, then that organization can be engaged with this standard ISO 9001. ISO is the International Organization for Standardization. I for international, O for organization for standardization. So this is a standard that is applicable to most software development organizations. So most this ISO can be given to most developed software organization. And coming to the features that are present in ISO 8001 certification, means whatever the organization, if you want to open and whatever the organization you are working in, that you have to check whether that organization is having the certification or not. Means when they will give that certification, if that certification is given to any organization, then it is engaged and it is becomes one of the standard that is applicable in software development organization. Means that is one of achieving one position in the society. So like that. So what are the features that are present in the certification? All the documents concerned with the development of software product should be properly managed, authorized and controlled. The one thing is the documents that are relating to that product, if whatever the product they are going to be developed, that product should be properly managed, authorized and controlled. If they are following that, then they will give some standard to that product. ISO 9001 certification. So if the customers wants to buy the product, they will see whether they are reaching this standard or not with the help of this certification. Important documents should be independently checked and reviewed for effectiveness and correctness. So if it is having any important document, that should be independently checked and reviewed for effectiveness and correctness. The product should be tested against specifications. So it has to be checked in different ways. It has to be tested in different ways. Okay. Several organizations aspects should be addressed, like for example management reporting of quality team. So all the organization, different teams will be there. So all the several organization aspects should be addressed. This is the development team and this is the production team and this is the testing team, like that. So every organization has to be clearly addressed. Means if they are going to develop a product, means they have to be it's a teamwork. Okay, so these are the features of ISO 9001 certification. This is about the ISO 9001 standard. Thank you.